To search for the Best Places state comparison, start by visiting the Best Places website, a reliable online platform that provides detailed information about various cities and states across the United States. Once you are on the website, click on the State Comparison tab, which is usually located at the top of the page. This will take you to a page where you can select 2 or more states to compare. You can choose states by typing their names in the search box or by selecting them from a drop-down list. For example, if you want to compare California and New York, simply type these state names in the search box and click the Compare button. The website will then generate a detailed comparison report, which includes various categories such as cost of living, housing, education, and climate. Each category is further divided into subcategories, providing a comprehensive overview of the similarities and differences between the selected states. For instance, under the cost of living category, you can compare the overall cost of living index, housing costs, food prices, and transportation costs between the 2 states. This information can be extremely useful if you are planning to relocate or start a business in a new state. To get the most out of the comparison report, look for the key statistics and rankings, which are usually highlighted in bold or with color codes. These statistics can help you quickly identify the strengths and weaknesses of each state. Additionally, you can use the filters and sorting options to customize the comparison report according to your needs and preferences. It is also important to consider multiple sources and cross-check the information to ensure accuracy. Best Places is a reputable website, but it is always a good idea to verify the data with other reliable sources, such as government websites or independent research studies. By following these steps and using the Best Places state comparison tool, you can make informed decisions about which states are the best fit for your personal or business needs. The website provides a wealth of information and insights, making it an invaluable resource for anyone looking to compare and contrast different states across the United States.